Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be an amazing smartphone. There's no denying the fact that the price has to come down before foldable smartphones can become the norm. Samsung realizes that and it's actively working to make these unique devices more affordable. The new Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 have received a significant price cut over their predecessors. That's why they have broken sales records already. According to reports, we can expect the Galaxy Z Fold 4 to be even cheaper if Samsung is able to execute its next steps perfectly. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 price is already at a sweet spot, starting at $999. It breaks a major psychological barrier for customers. Since these are still meant to be premium devices, it's unlikely we'll see the clamshell foldables price dip any further. However, the Galaxy Z Fold series could be cheaper still, starting at $1,799. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is 20% cheaper than its predecessors. The price tag is still a bit too high to make the device affordable for a lot more customers. Samsung is looking to squeeze more value out of its supply chain in order to make the Galaxy Z Fold 4 cheaper. It wants to lower the mass production cost per unit while ensuring that the current quality standards are met. Improved yields for the ultra-thin glass panels and further technology enhancement can help bring the cost of this critical component down. The hinge is another expensive component in a foldable smartphone. There are now as many as 4 different suppliers that are vying to supply Samsung with the required components. Increased competition in the supply chain will also help the company bring prices down. The report also mentions that Samsung will improve certain aspects of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. That's to be expected anyway. It particularly mentions the handset featuring Samsung's second-generation under-display camera technology, which will provide improved visibility and be even less noticeable. It will also be able to take your photography skills a notch above, as the phone might feature a dual camera setup on the rear. It is speculated that there will be a 12MP plus 12MP plus 12MP so that you can click some amazing pictures. Features on the rear camera setup might include digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Also, you will be able to click some amazing selfies and make video calls, as the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is expected to come with a 10MP plus 10MP front camera. Samsung has an entire year to do whatever it needs to do in order to bring the price down. The cheaper its top-of-the-line foldable becomes, the more it will be able to convince people to spend their money on it. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is touted to run the Android 12 operating system, and it might be housing a 4,500 mAh battery that will let you use the device for long hours for playing games, listening to songs, watching movies, and more for a longer duration without worrying about battery drainage. Well, that is it for now guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.